Hello everyone, welcome back to the Binary Master Channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to trade using the VIP Cross Robot, which has been delivering more than 96% accuracy based on my experience. Before we get started, if you're interested in free binary options and pocket option trading signals, make sure to join our free Telegram channel. We share daily trading signals, market updates, and trading tips completely free. The link is available in the description below. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest trading videos and signal updates. Now let's open the platform, analyze the market together, and see how the VIP Cross Robot performs in today's live trading session. Watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important trading tips, entry points, and the final results. Let's get started.
Now I have placed a sell trade. I'm 100% confident this trade is going to be a win because the Cross Robot never disappoints. If you also want high-quality trading signals, make sure you stay connected with our channel. Join our Telegram channel today. We share free trading signals every day, so don't miss out. The link is available in the description. Wow, great! As you can see, the trade has closed in win right in front of you. Congratulations to everyone who followed the signal.